Hello everyone. So just a jar you need a week to achieve a very clear skin, as this will load up your skin with antioxidants to fight skin issues from the inside, increase your collagen levels to look so youthful, plus a very healthy skin and healthy life. Yeah, so if you're interested, stick around and I'll share with you this recipe. So the very first ingredient will be apples. Yes, I'll be using these red apples because they contain high amounts of antioxidants, more than the green apples. So if you want antioxidants, go for the red apples. This will load your system up with antioxidants to fight the effects of free radicals. You know, we expose ourselves into the environment. All those free radicals from the environment, you need to fight them with antioxidants, and you get large amounts of them from this red apple. Plus, this is very good because it is loaded with different nutrients to form a disease fighting barrier in your system and leave your skin always looking so healthy and fresh. That is why our doctors always say you can complete it. Yeah, the second ingredient I'll be using will be mango. So I'll be using one mango in here because I need the vitamin E and C, which are very rich forms of antioxidants to fight skin issues, so you end up with a very clear, beautiful and fresh radiant skin. Plus, the vitamin E and C boost collagen production as well for that youthful agelessness to your skin. So this will treat skin issues and equally leave your skin looking so beautiful. Trust me, you look like what you put into your system, and all these very powerful ingredients put together are just to leave your skin looking so beautiful, clear and healthy. So this is my one mango set aside. This is the second ingredient. The third ingredient I'll be adding in here will be citrus fruits. So I'll be using 2 lemons and I'll be using 2 oranges. Yeah, so you get a large amount of vitamin C in here, plus this helps to cleanse your skin pores. Like if you want to have a fresh, healthy looking skin, fall in love with vitamin C. Citrus fruits are very good. This promotes that freshness to your skin. Like if you have body odor, consume a lot of vitamin C. That tackles and treats your skin pores, freshens up your skin from the inside, and you smell so fresh. Vitamin C fruits, most especially citrus fruits, are to freshen you up from the within, boost collagen production, fight aging on the skin, clear and prevent the production of excess pigmentation, causing skin discoloration, and you end up with a very clear and beautiful looking skin. That is why you see moisturizers made with vitamin C to treat skin issues. So consuming them is even far better. And the way I'll add them in here is very tricky. So you want to watch and follow the steps carefully before you go about coming up with yours. Very important. The steps are very important. So I'll be adding in half a pineapple in here, just to bring in a little bit of some more vitamin C and the bromelain in here to break down toxins in the system, flush and cleanse you out. Pineapples are very good for cleansing. You want to cleanse your skin of the toxins from the inside so your skin can look so clear and healthy, because if your skin is loaded up with toxins, you will not have that clear and beautiful looking skin. Yeah, so I'll be adding in half a pineapple in here. Plus, pineapple brings in that ananas taste, that beautiful taste and flavor to your skin as well. Drinking this juice freshens up your skin from the inside. Trust me, you end up with a very clear, beautiful skin, plus smelling so fresh. This is so healthy. So this is my half a pineapple sliced, and yeah, so that is it. Apple, so you put in your apple in the blender. So this is a little bit harder than the other ingredients, so I start with the apple and I follow with my half a pineapple, because pineapple is almost water based, so the apples at the bottom blend so fast, and I add in the mango and the fiber from the citrus fruits, and that is it. I had some more pineapples and I had to add them all in the jar, but I will not add in the juice of the citrus fruits now. I want to blend these ingredients first before I add the juice. If you have a juicer, you can go ahead and use your juicer, that is fine. But when you do it this way, you really get the juice out of your mangoes. That is why I like blending, most especially when I add in mangoes. So I really get all the juice from my mangoes. Yeah. So you blend until you get a very smooth consistency that you don't lose the juice from your fruits. Like everything is so smooth that you squeeze out and you get enough juice out of it. That is when you turn off your blender. So just blend until you get a very smooth consistency. So I will show you what next to do now before I add in this juice from the citrus fruit, so it gets in here in a very concentrated form. So this is a secret. You want to get the juice out of the blended ingredients. So you just get your strainer to get the juice, and you see there is little or no pulp because it blended so well. So the little pulp is just from the pineapple, the inner part of the pineapple. So you just squeeze out all the juice from there, and you see how it looks so thick and concentrated, very rich. So I forgot to tell you, I added just like 3 cups of water, not a lot of water. So you just add 3 cups of water, not too much water, so you don't over dilute the fruits. 3 cups of water is just fine. And you squeeze out everything. You see the thickness, the consistency of the juice. And I will not be throwing this fiber. If you follow me, you know I don't throw my pulp. I always add in like papaya or banana and have it for breakfast. Yeah. So this is it. Enough juice, like just a jar of this a week will load up your skin with all those nutrients you need. You don't need a lot, just 1 jar of this. Like you do this like once every week, trust me, you will love your skin. You will love the texture of your skin. Your skin will look so fresh. So this is the pulp. I'll just be adding papaya in here to have it for breakfast. So you can seal it up with your foil pepper, put in your refrigerator. The next day you add in banana and you're good to have it for breakfast. So now is when you want to add in the juice from your orange and lemon. So the lemon in here too helps to break down the little good sugars from these fruits as well. So I added the lemon in here intentionally. The 2 lemons, very good to make everything just break down so fast while living in the nutrients. Because trust me, you don't want to forgo these fruits with a little sugar. Your system equally needs good sugar in there. There is low sugar as well, so you need it from healthy fruits like this, but you equally need to add something like lemon to help you break a little sugar from these fruits, so everything breaks down so fast. So all fruits are healthy, depending if you are not diabetic. If you are diabetic, you must have been restricted from certain fruits because of maybe your previous lifestyle. So you want to consume this if you want to have a very beautiful, clear and healthy skin. Trust me, this is very good. Just a jar of this, like this is 1 jar that there is some in the cup, 1 jar a week. Trust me, you will love your skin. Your skin will be so healthy. You live a healthy life, clear skin, beautiful skin, healthy skin. You smell so fresh from the inside and very vibrant. Yeah, so share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, feel free to do so now by clicking the red subscribe button you see right below this video so you don't miss any of my uploads and you get to watch them on time as well. Thank you for your time and bye. See you again in my next video. Cheers.